What I have here today is a pair of Adidas 510. 510 Adidas, pretty much the same company now. Adidas bought 510. And 510, if you're familiar with them, they make really good climbing shoes, mountain biking shoes. They used to make kayaking shoes too until Adidas bought them. And the shoe that I have here today is called the 510 Freerider. And the size that I have is the size 9, which is a 42 and 2 3/4 as far as, like, you know, the metric standard there. And I just kind of like wanted a shoe that was good for mountain biking, e-bike riding, and skateboarding. I just started skateboarding, so you know what? I needed me a skateboarding shoe. And one of the reasons you need this for mountain biking, instead of like a sneaker or some type of running shoe that has the cutout, sometimes the pedals will slide down to that cutout and your foot could go off of the pedal. Well, with this flat sole like this, that corrects that. And the same way with skateboarding, you want to be nice and flat on the board to get maximum contact for the movement around. So a friend of mine had a pair of these 510 shoes, and he's been using them for about 5 years now on his mountain biking. And these are the canvas version. It's exactly the same thing he has, and they're very affordable for what they do. And let's just kind of like go over some of the features of them. Number one, they've got a very nice padded tongue on them. The insoles are very thin, but you know what? It's a thin shoe for feeling the pedals or feeling the board while you're riding. This is a breathable, like, mesh top on it. But what I like about this, look at the toes right there and the heels. That is very hard, thick rubber. And the durability that I have heard on these things have been absolutely phenomenal. This is the stealth rubber that's proprietary to 510. It is super sticky, very grippy, and it seems to have a really good wear. If you can look down it right there, these actually have a little bit of arch to give you some support. But check it out. I can't even bend this stuff. Look how hard I'm trying to bend that. That is super strong. And I love how they stitched all the way around. So it's not only glued, but it's stitched all the way down. They do get dirty. They get pretty dirty after a few uses because it is canvas, but you know what? They're mountain biking, skateboarding shoes. But I think they look great just for all around, kicking around town shoes too. Let me go ahead and put these things on and show y'all what they look like on the foot now. All right, everybody, there they are. I got them on. I'm walking around. You can kind of hear it's kind of a hard sole on it, but they feel very good. And they do fit true to size. I wear like a size 9 in shoes, and my toe is exactly right there. So they fit really true to size. They are a little bit narrow, so if you're someone with a big wide foot, these might be too tight on you. You might want to look at another brand. But look how cool these things look. These things look really good just on your foot there. And walking around, they feel great. This is the shoe that I have been using riding, and it's not the best shoe for like riding bikes. It tears up way too easy. So I wanted something with a little more durability. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the 510 Freeriders. Let's go for a ride. Woo.